Good morning, students. We continue our 8th chapter, Ashoka, the emperor who gave up war. In this video, we are going to study Ashoka, a unique ruler, and he gave up war, or Ashoka's war in Kalinga. In this video, we have to study these two topics. First, Ashoka, a unique ruler, and second, Ashoka's war in Kalinga. First, the point that is Ashoka, a unique ruler. Among the Mauryan rulers, the most famous emperor, he was Ashoka. Among the Mauryan rulers, the most famous ruler was Ashoka. Why he was most famous? Because he was the only ruler who tried to take his message to the common people through inscription. He was the first ruler who tried to take his message to the common people through inscription. He called many artisans and inscribed his messages on stones, and by this he tried to send his messages to the people. So he was the first ruler who tried to take his message to the people through inscription. These inscriptions, most of Ashoka's inscriptions, they were in Prakrit. They were in Prakrit language. It means the language of common men, common people. Most of the inscription of Ashoka, they were in Prakrit. It means in common language, or the language used by the common people. And in this Prakrit, in this inscription, Ashoka has asked the artisans to use the Brahmi script. So two characteristics of inscriptions of Ashoka, they were in Prakrit and the Brahmi script was used. So this is the first topic, Ashoka, a unique ruler. Now the next topic, Ashoka's war in Kalinga. Students, this is war in Kalinga. That was the turning point in Ashoka's life. And after this war, Ashoka, the emperor who gave up war. Kalinga, it is the ancient name of coastal Orissa. Kalinga, it is the ancient, means the old name of coastal Orissa. Ashoka fought a war to conquer Kalinga. To conquer Kalinga, to win Kalinga, Ashoka fought a war. And in this war, Ashoka became victorious. He won the war. But he was so horrified, he was shocked, he was very sad when he saw the violence and bloodshed that he decided to give up war. Ashoka, he won the battle of Kalinga. He became victorious in the war of Kalinga. But he observed the violence and bloodshed, so that he decided to give up war. He decided not to fight any more wars. So Ashoka, he was the first king, he was the only king in the history of the world that after winning the war, he gave up war. Mostly or usually, after winning a war, the kings, they would like to fight different wars. But Ashoka, he is the only king in the history of the world who gave up conquest. He gave up war after winning a war, and that is the war of Kalinga. When Ashoka, after the war, when Ashoka observed the violence and the bloodshed, he was so horrified that he decided not to fight any more wars and he gave up war. Even due to this also he became one of the most famous emperor in the history of world. Here students, we end this video. In this video we studied 2 points. First one, Ashoka, a unique ruler, and second one, Ashoka's war in Kalinga.